Hey, yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Vishwesh and today I am going to answer the question of does an aftermarket silencer affect your mileage, does it affect your engine and all those questions. So if you have something similar going on in your head, then this video is for you. So make sure you watch this all the way till the end. So without any further delay, let's start with this video. Alright guys, so this is a perpetual question. I mean, you will find this question all over the internet at various forums, various websites, including social media, all over the place. That does changing the silencer of your Royal Enfield motorcycle affect the mileage? Does it damage your engine? Does it affect the acceleration, the torque and all those, various variables that are involved in a motorcycle? So I am going to answer those questions once and for all. So, but before I get on to answering those questions, I would like to give you a slight overview of how an exhaust system actually works, because if you don't understand that, you will not be able to understand what I'm going to tell you. So before we get to the answers, let's just dig in and find out about the exhaust system. So guys, if we basically talk about the exhaust system, then what basically happens is that the fuel and air mixture comes into the combustion chamber where the carburetor or the EFI, it gets ignited by the spark plug and then the piston moves. However, the exhaust gases come out of the header pipe or the bend pipe area. They go through all the twists and turns and the catalytic converter, obviously, because the harmful gases such as the oxides of nitrogen and carbon monoxide has to be converted into cleaner gases like carbon dioxide and water, and then it moves out, gets through the exhaust or the muffler and are actually silenced. That is why we call it a silencer, and then goes out into the environment. However, when we talk about a Royal Enfield, the dynamics change, because if you look closely, the bent pipe or the header pipe is quite straight. There is no filter, there is no catalytic converter, no nothing. It's like a hollow bent pipe. The entire processing of the gas via the catalytic converter, the filters, the bends and the twists and the turns are basically in a silencer itself. That is the reason the silencers on Royal Enfield bikes are such long bottles, and they are long and they are big, unlike other bikes. Even if you look at the super bikes, they are smaller, but on a Royal Enfield they are quite big. So what happens is, when you are changing the silencer on a Royal Enfield, you are taking out all of these things and replacing it with what the new aftermarket silencer is actually offering you. Due to all these filters, what actually happens is there is a back pressure. The word back pressure, you might have heard of it so many times, that actually builds up. And what back pressure is, that it is a pressure in the opposite direction to the desired flow of gases. So when the gases are flowing from the combustion chamber toward the outlet, the back pressure is in the opposite direction. That back pressure actually increases the gas scavenging effect. What that does is that because when the piston is moved, when the air and fuel mixture is ignited, there is still some fuel particles left in the exhaust gases. There is no 100% combustion or 100% efficient combustion happening. So when the next cycle of fresh air and fuel mixture gets in, there is still a lot of from the previous cycle left at the header exit itself due to the back pressure, because the gases are not able to free flow outside. So when the piston, then the spark plug actually utilizes some of the old fuel particles and the fresh fuel particle, hence increasing the fuel efficiency. That is the reason that you get higher mileage with a stock exhaust. Due to the pressure buildup, you get a higher torque and power as well. The initial acceleration is sluggish, but at higher speeds and at higher RPMs, you do get a higher speed, because there is more fuel in the combustion chamber as compared to the other scenario, which we'll be talking about shortly, in case when you change the silencer, because there is old as well as new fuel mixture there. So there is more fuel to support the higher speeds that your motorcycle wants to reach. You have to twist the throttle a bit less when you are on higher speeds, like higher cruising speeds of 40 or 50 km per hour or more, because there is enough fuel in the combustion chamber from the previous cycle as well as the new cycle to support that acceleration and the top speed. Hence, with a stock silencer, you get better mileage, better torque, slow initial acceleration but higher acceleration at higher speeds and definitely a higher top speed. However, now when we talk about changing the silencer, if you are changing the silencer with a free flow exhaust and not a K-Indori silencer, I've already reviewed the K-Indori silencer and have already told you about how you can identify a real K-Indori silencer, and I'll put the links of both the videos in the description below. Over here or here, I guess on either side the links are also coming, so you can follow there as well. The K-Indori is basically a filtered silencer, but those filters are not that dense. It doesn't have the catalytic converter, but it still manages to build up some back pressure. Whereas in case of a a straight pipe or like a free flow exhaust with ceramic wool or no wool at all, what happens is you are just adding an extension to the hollow bend pipe. So what happens is the gases are free to move out. They give you a higher initial acceleration, but due to this whole free flow thing, what happens is at higher top speeds, the fuel and air mixture that is coming inside the combustion chamber is leaner, because either you tune the carburetor and start pushing in more fuel. That way you are going to burn more fuel, that is going to bring down the economy or mileage even more, or you keep it to the stock settings and let a leaner fuel mixture get inside, which won't be able to support your higher top speed, because there would be more air and less fuel in the combustion chamber to support that kind of a high top speed. So that thing is not happening. So a lower top speed is always there, a higher initial acceleration is there, but a lower torque or pushing power or pulling power is there. So with a free flow aftermarket exhaust, you get higher initial acceleration but low mileage, low top speed, and a drop in torque or power. So that was quite an explanation. So if you ask me guys, if you change the exhaust of your Royal Enfield motorcycle, then you will actually be witnessing a drop in mileage, a drop in power, and at cruising speeds you will be turning the throttle more because you want to push in more fuel mixture inside the combustion chamber. So there would be more heat generation as well, because the cycle of the piston would increase. So the engine would heat up, it can damage the piston valve as well. So it is going to decrease or degrade the life of your engine as well. So for me, a custom made silencer or any aftermarket silencer is not advisable. It's best you stick with what the brand is providing you with. In case of an EFI, this problem even worsens, because in EFI you cannot remap the ECU yourself, and the RE guys are not going to do it for you when you get an aftermarket silencer installed. And no brand manufacturer in India for an RE exhaust has the knowledge for dynamo testing, or is not going to give you an ECU map that you can retune the ECU yourself or by any other certified mechanic. So best is to stick with what the brand is giving you. Enjoy the mileage, enjoy the ride, make the environment less polluted, enjoy less noise, have fun. It's a Royal Enfield. The best thing you can do with it is to ride it as it came. So that was all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel. As for following me on social media, you can follow me here as well as here. And see you guys in the next. Till the time, bye.